In today's video, I will teach you how to fix your TikTok not showing videos problem. So if you're opening TikTok and none of the video is loading up and it's just like not showing you any video, in that case, the first issue could be your internet connection. Most of the time it's due to a slow internet connection. So just open up any other app and try to see if they're working properly. If you can see videos on other app, then your Wi-Fi is not the problem. But if your other app is also lagging, then basically it's your Wi-Fi connection. In that case, switch to a stable internet connection or switch into your data connection. And the other issue could be due to lack of update on TikTok. If you don't update your TikTok for a really long time, it also causes this problem. So you want to go inside your app store, and inside your app store you want to search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, if it says open over here, it means your TikTok is up to date. But if it shows you update instead of open, click on update and update your TikTok and your problem should be fixed. And even after updating your TikTok, if your problem is not fixed, then just hold on your TikTok icon and then delete TikTok app. Once you delete your TikTok app, reinstall it again. Sometimes doing this fixes a problem, so try it and your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed and when you open TikTok no video is being shown, then just go on profile, click on the three line at the top and go on where it says settings and privacy. And inside of settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and click on report a problem. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down and click on submit a report. And inside submit a report, you want to write this: whenever I open TikTok, no video is shown. I have checked my network, that is not the problem. Please help me fix this. Once you write it, click on submit. And this report will be submitted to TikTok and TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. So that's how you guys can fix your TikTok not showing videos issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.